We're early risers. The first thing I would do is to come downstairs to the kitchen just to make sure that everything is okay. We have civet cats, sometimes inviting themselves in and helping themselves with the bananas.
My name is Minh.
Hello, I'm Emylia. Welcome to our home. Our old house, the structure was very traditional and life was very much interiorized. So we wanted to get away from that and feel really a closeness and proximity with nature. We've always wanted to live in a space where we can breathe naturally. When everything is closed off like that, the humidity stays within the house. So it's a lot more comfortable to be living in a space without air conditioning. So that was very important in the brief that we gave to the architect. Most of our furniture came from our old house, and Ling Hao had visited a few times. So maybe through close observations, he understood what we wanted in a very intuitive manner. And to be honest, we didn't really change anything much. He had creative freedom. There's no point engaging an architect and not really making full use of a professional like that.
For me, it was not really challenging, but unexpected way of crafting the material. Usually all the stairs, they are straight, and they come straight from the factory already made, where the stairs that we have, that you see that is curved, they came with every slab of steel one by one. So I was thinking like, are they gonna be able to put the stairs on or not? But at the end, yeah, they managed to do it.
Details also, like it was all very traditionally done. So the slowness of putting things together is the complexity, the challenge.
But you could feel that they had a kind of a good dynamic between the team.
Most of the plants that we have here are native plants, so they're quite easy to manage. Like we don't really need to fertilize them.
We thought that the best is to go along with nature and not to try to force. There were stages of acceptance of the space. You cannot expect everything to be perfect. The thing happened and you need to deal with it. And then you need to observe and be grateful of what's happening. I think we're not thankful enough for what we are receiving from our environment.
My biggest question is, what is a house for? Because it's such a big project in our lives, right? It costs us our savings, it's about our future. Being in a home like this is really about my sense of belonging in this world. It's about living with nature. It's an adjustment, but also a little adventure.